Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb la yabda to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb la yabda to suit the pronouns below? La yabda simply means he should not start. He in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb la yabda to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb la yabda to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb la yabda will now become la abda, which means I should not start. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la yabda to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb la yabda will now become la nabda, which means we should not start. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la yabda to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yabda will now become la tabda, which means don't start. Talking to a single male person. Arba, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la yabda to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb la yabda will now become la tabda'i, which means don't start, commanding a single female person not to start doing something. Hamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb la yabda to suit here? All you need to do is to replace ya'un with ta'un. So the verb la yabda will now become la tabda, which means she should not start. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from third upward. Remember, plurality in Arabic starts from third upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la tabda can only be used to command a single male person not to start. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fatha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fatha in Arabic. So the verb la tabda will now become la tabda'a, which means you should not start, commanding two male persons not to start. Remember that the symbol written on top of the alif indicates duplication of the alif. I hope you understand, as we have it in Adam. La tabda'a, Adam. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. If there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la tabda will now become la tabda'u, which means you should not start. Commanding a group of male persons not to start. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wa, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. Then we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb la tabda'i can only be used to command a single female person not to start. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb la tabda'a. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in la tabda'i with nunun and give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb la tabda'i will now become la tabda'na, which means you should not start, commanding a group of female persons not to start. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number 1. لا يبدأ خالد العمل ليلا. لا يبدأ خالد العمل ليلا. لا يبدأ خالد العمل. Khalid should not start the work ليلا in the night. لا يبدأ خالد العمل. Khalid should not start the work ليلا in the night. اثنان, number 2. لا تبدأ زينب التدريس غدا. لا تبدأ زينب التدريس غدا. لا تبدأ زينب التدريس. Zainab should not start teaching غدا by tomorrow. لا تبدأ زينب التدريس. Zainab should not start teaching غدا by tomorrow. ثلاثة, number 3. لا تبدأ دراستك هذا الأسبوع يا أخي. لا تبدأ دراستك هذا الأسبوع يا أخي. لا تبدأ دراستك. Do not start your studies. هذا الأسبوع, this week. يا أخي, my brother. لا تبدأ دراستك هذا الأسبوع. Do not start your study this week. يا أخي, my brother. خمسة, number 5. أربعة, number 6. أربعة, number 4. لا تبدأي دراستك اليوم يا أختي. لا تبدأي دراستك اليوم يا أختي. لا تبدأي دراستك اليوم. Don't start your studies today. يا أختي, my sister. لا تبدأي دراستك اليوم. Don't start your studies today. يا أختي, my sister. خمسة, number 5. لا تبدأ العمل غدا. لا تبدأ العمل غدا. لا تبدأ العمل. Don't start the work. You should not start the work غدا by tomorrow. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. لا تبدأ العمل. You should not start the work غدا by tomorrow. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ستة, number 6. لا تبدأ الاجتماع الآن. لا تبدأ الاجتماع الآن. لا تبدأ الاجتماع الآن. You should not start the meeting now. يا إخوة, brothers. لا تبدأ الاجتماع الآن. لا تبدأ الاجتماع الآن. You should not start the meeting now. يا إخوة, brothers. Talking to a group of male persons. سبعة, number 7. لا تبدأنا الاختبار غدا يا أخوات. لا تبدأنا الاختبار غدا يا أخوات. لا تبدأنا الاختبار. You should not start the test غدا by tomorrow. يا أخوات, sisters. Talking to a group of female persons. ثمانية, number 8. لا أبدأ تجارة في هذا البلد. لا أبدأ تجارة في هذا البلد. لا أبدأ تجارة. I should not start a business في هذا البلد in this country. لا أبدأ تجارة في هذا البلد. I shouldn't start a business in this country. تسعة, number 9. لا نبدأ دراستنا في القرية. لا نبدأ دراستنا في القرية. لا نبدأ دراستنا. We should not start our studies في القرية in the village. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between أمر, commandment, and نهي, prohibition in Arabic. واحد, number 1. هو, he. ليبدأ, he should start. لا يبدأ, he should not start. اثنان, number 2. هي, she. لتبدأ, she should start. لا تبدأ, she should not start. ثلاثة, number 3. أنا, I. لأبدأ, I should start. لا أبدأ, I shouldn't start. Number 4. نحن we. لنبدأ let us start. لا نبدأ we should not start. 5. Number 5. أنت you representing a single male person. ابدأ start. ابدأ begin. لا تبدأ don't start. 6. Number 6. أنت you representing a single female person. ابدأي start. لا تبدأي don't start. 7. Number 7. أنتم all of you referring to a group of male persons. ابدأوا you should all start. لا تبدأوا you should not start. 8. Number 8. أنتن all of you referring to a group of female persons. ابدأنا you should all start. لا تبدأنا you should not start. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below and download any of my books right there at the comment section. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.